Today, we're diving deep into the long-awaited DJI Mini 5 Pro, a compact drone that's about to shake up the aerial tech market in a major way. With confirmed specs, a tentative release window, and eye-opening features, this could be one of the most exciting launches in the drone industry to date. If you're a tech enthusiast, a drone hobbyist, or a serious content creator looking to take your aerial game to the next level, you won't want to miss this comprehensive breakdown. We'll cover every angle: performance, camera upgrades, intelligent features, build quality, flight time, AI enhancements, and of course, pricing and availability. Is the DJI Mini 5 Pro really worth the hype? Let's get real. DJI has been consistently pushing boundaries in the lightweight drone market, and the Mini 5 Pro appears to be no exception. Unlike its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro, which was already a fan favorite for casual users and professionals alike, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be not just an iteration, but a transformation. What makes this drone stand out is how DJI balances performance with portability, all while keeping it under the 250G threshold, a key factor for legal operation in many countries without needing a license. But are these new upgrades enough to warrant a jump from previous models? Let's break it all down. Release date expectations: when can you get your hands on it? Although DJI hasn't made an official announcement yet, industry insiders and leaked production schedules suggest that the DJI Mini 5 Pro is on track for a release in late 2025 or early 2026. This aligns perfectly with DJI's historical release cadence for their mini-series lineup, which tends to refresh every 12 to 18 months. So if you're currently using a Mini 3 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, or even a Mavic Air, you might want to hold off on any upgrades until this new powerhouse officially drops. Estimated pricing: what will the Mini 5 Pro cost? Based on the tech upgrades rumored to be included, expect the DJI Mini 5 Pro to launch at around $999 for the base unit. If you're planning to go for the Fly More combo, which includes extra batteries, propellers, and a charging hub, you're looking at roughly $1,299 or even more. Should DJI bundle the high-end RC2 smart controller with the drone, we might see packages pushing upwards of $1,400. While this positions the Mini 5 Pro at the premium end of the market, DJI's reputation for quality, innovation, and durability could make this investment well worth it for serious users. Design and build quality: sleek, sturdy, and still under 250G. Despite the powerful internals, DJI is expected to maintain the sub-250G weight classification, ensuring the Mini 5 Pro remains legal for unlicensed flying in most regions. To achieve this, DJI is rumored to be using next-gen lightweight composite materials, possibly carbon fiber-infused polymers, for both durability and heat management. The foldable design, a hallmark of the Mini series, will likely be preserved, but with refinements to the hinge mechanism, improved motor efficiency, and upgraded gimbal protection. This could mean fewer vibrations, less wear and tear, and a more stable camera system, especially useful when shooting in windy or turbulent conditions. An improved ergonomic controller design is also on the table, offering a more immersive and tactile experience for pilots, whether you're a casual flyer or a pro content creator. Camera capabilities: a new era of aerial imaging? Leaks suggest the DJI Mini 5 Pro will feature a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor or an improved 1/1.3-inch sensor, dramatically boosting its dynamic range, low-light performance, and image detail. With possible support for f/1.7 aperture or even variable aperture, this could be a breakthrough for aerial videography and photography. Some of the confirmed or strongly expected camera features include 4K at 60 frames per second video recording, HDR imaging, 10-bit D-Log or HLG support for color grading, AI-assisted framing, auto tracking, and scene recognition, upgraded master shots and quick shots capabilities. These features make the Mini 5 Pro ideal for cinematic filmmakers, travel vloggers, real estate professionals, and social media content creators who need high-quality visuals without lugging around a heavier drone. AI and smart flight features: smarter than ever, DJI is doubling down on AI-powered capabilities, and the Mini 5 Pro looks to be a major leap forward in autonomous flying and intelligent capture modes. Expect upgrades in real-time subject recognition with more accurate active track. 6.0 gesture controls for easier selfie-style shots, smart return to home with precision landing improvements, obstacle recognition and avoidance with a more refined omnidirectional sensor system, flight path automation through enhanced waypoints 3.0. and cinematic route planning. DJI may also roll out new software integrations like on-device image enhancement, cloud-based auto-editing, instant sharing options, allowing footage to be synced directly with mobile editing apps like DJI Mimo or Lightcut. These features make the Mini 5 Pro not just a drone, but a fully autonomous flying camera crew in your backpack. Battery life and charging tech: longer air time, faster recharge battery life has always been a key deciding factor in drone purchases, and the Mini 5 Pro could be DJI's most efficient yet. Expected improvements include flight time beyond 40 minutes, adaptive battery management using AI algorithms, new smart charging hub supporting rapid parallel charging, USB-C PD compatibility for universal charging. These enhancements make a big difference for travelers, explorers, and on-the-go creators, reducing downtime and increasing productivity during shoots. Obstacle avoidance and safety upgrades. The Mini 4 Pro made waves with its introduction of omnidirectional obstacle sensing in a sub-250G drone. The Mini 5 Pro is likely to improve this system even further, with enhanced front, rear, lateral, and bottom-facing sensors, AI collision prediction models, dynamic flight path correction, fail-safe landing features for GPS-denied areas. This makes the drone safer and far more user-friendly, especially for beginners and solo pilots. Transmission range and signal reliability. The new drone is rumored to feature the OcuSync 4.0 Plus, offering a transmission range of up to 20 kilometers in optimal conditions. This translates into low latency, high frame rate live feeds, and more stable connections in urban environments with high interference. This means less signal drop, smoother footage streaming, and more reliable data transfers, even in dense cities or mountainous terrain. Real-world use. Who is this drone for? If you're wondering whether the DJI Mini 5 Pro is for you, consider these use cases: travel vloggers looking for ultra portability with top-tier performance, real estate agents needing cinematic, high-quality flyovers, YouTubers and TikTok creators wanting to add dynamic shots to their content, professional filmmakers who need a backup drone with serious capabilities, casual users who want safety, simplicity, and fun all in one device. Final verdict: should you upgrade? So, should you wait for or upgrade to the DJI Mini 5 Pro? If the confirmed specs and expected features hold true, the Mini 5 Pro may redefine what a compact drone can do. With advancements in AI, camera performance, flight time, and safety, this drone could dominate the lightweight category for years to come. However, the final verdict will depend on how DJI balances price, performance, and weight. If they manage to deliver all this innovation without crossing the 250G mark and without a significant price hike, the Mini 5 Pro could be the best value for money drone on the market.